This person is attending interview at companies such as Google and Microsoft in India. But why I'm telling you this, he has stopped searching for the job abroad. Reason being, he followed the CDA strategies and now he got the calls from the companies such as Google and Microsoft and preparing for the interviews with those companies. Can you imagine how it could be? Like, he doesn't need to even move abroad. Of course, it's the person's choice. You want to move abroad or you want to work with the top tier company within India itself. But again, there is an impact. People can't even dream about applying for the jobs at such companies and getting the calls from there, eventually clicking the interview with those companies and getting hired. This is all possible. Can you think such agencies which claim you will apply for the jobs on your behalf can do it for you? No. You have to do it yourself. You have to do it right. You know your profile best. It's not about NCDA. It's not about CV. It's not only about cover letter. It's not about LinkedIn, but also how to apply for the jobs, how to research the salary, what salary to quote, understanding the job description, customizing your CV according to that job. All of this we train you in our CDA course. If someone says that, okay, we'll apply for the jobs on your behalf, then they are not sure what they are doing. You have to do it yourself. Be prepared for it and give your best. If you need guidance, need support, getting hired internationally, you can write us an email to info@coachingdeepfire.com. We will love to help you.